Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to go over something that I hate that Honda is doing on their new vehicles. It's even on our 2025 CR-V here. And I can tell, for me at least personally, it's a step in the wrong direction compared to all the other Hondas and Acuras I've owned. And I think the new Accords and Civics probably utilize the same system. Maybe you guys can let me know later in the comment section. But I want to go over, this is one of the most irritating parts on this vehicle when you have to actually go to use it. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what this is. So like I said, it's a feature that I hate in this vehicle. It's not efficient whatsoever. And maybe you guys agree, maybe you don't, but I wanted to share my personal experience with it. So it has to do with the wipers here. So you know that the fluid is attached, the sprayers are attached to the actual wiper arms itself. So when you initially use them and you're pulling back the stock to get the fluid, it starts scraping dry because there's no fluid really on the window until it makes a pass, and it kind of sprays it right in front of the blade. It's very streaky. I've used it with brand new blades on it. It doesn't really make a difference. It's just a very poor design. And if you have a really dirty window and you go to use it, you have to hold that stock for a good 10-15 seconds and run so much fluid through it just to get enough fluid on your window to wipe up if there's any dirt and debris on it. And then, like I said, if you don't, it leaves it super streaky. Like that's what some of my wife's dealing with a lot on this vehicle, is when you clean it, it leaves big streaks from one side to the other of dirt marks on it. And I swear we're always having to fill the reservoir up with fluid because of this reason. Whereas like my Acura, I don't know if the new ones change it or not, but it's attached under the cowling where the hood is. So they're stationary and they just spray directly on the window. So it'd be in this area right here, right where the hood is, right underneath the hood, and it sprays directly on it. And then, you know, like the old days, the cars would have them actually, and a lot of cars probably still do, have them on the actual hood itself. You'd see two little raised marks where the sprayers would come out of. People would change it and get little glowing lights underneath them, all that kind of stuff. I remember doing that. But way more efficient spraying it. Now, the only thing I will say could be the reason behind it is because of overspray. So when you use these ones that are on the actual wiper blade itself, you don't get really any overspray as far as like cars behind you because it doesn't throw up enough fluid. Or the older style, or like the ones in my TLX, if you hold them, it'll spray a ton or it just saturates the window. And then if you're going on the freeway, it kind of blows over the top of your car as well. But like I said, that's a design. I think it's more of a flaw. It's just not efficient at cleaning the window. So many times we're driving and I'm trying to clean it and I'm holding it down and keep spraying, and the windows are just streaky. And they're, like I said, they're new blades. Whereas my car, it'll saturate the window, a couple swipes, you turn them off, it's good to go. And I haven't even replaced my fluid maybe once a year. So again, it's kind of a minor gripe, but it's annoyance. You know how they design these and they've taken a design that's been around forever that was very efficient, it worked to clean your window, and now all of a sudden they're switching it. It kind of goes the same like the back window too. The back window, you know, there's an attachment on the very top where it sprays water on the window and it wipes it. It's always a more efficient way to spray water directly on the window and then wipe it than it is having it go with the speed of the wipers. So again, I just wanted to share my experience with it. And like I said, I'm pretty sure the new Civics and Accords probably all utilize it because they're kind of streamlining their parts setup so they don't have to have all these different parts. But I think it's a really poor design. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have maybe the new Accord or Civic, HR-V, or definitely the CR-V, what do you guys think of that if it utilizes that system that sprays on the wiper itself? If you guys had any problems with it as well, because like I said, it's just not efficient at cleaning the window. It takes a very long time to clean it and use a ton of fluid in the process. So again, minor thing, but just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.